In this drawing tutorial, I'll show you how to draw dynamic poses. You'll see many examples and different approaches to draw movements. My goal is to help you to draw dynamic poses immediately, even if you didn't draw them before. You can take a pencil and follow this tutorial along with me. By the end of this video, you'll understand must-know basics and will be ready to practice on your own using any photo references that you want. You're watching TNT Tutorials, let's move on! Here's how you should draw quick sketches if you want to be really good in drawing poses. Your task is to catch movement and avoid any details. Only lines. Don't worry about the proportions or anything else. You must work on your sense of movement and be able to show it with a few lines. Draw lines fast, like this. There's no rules. Express what you feel, try to understand which lines work the best. Draw a few combinations for one photo and compare them. Dynamic poses are all about your senses. If lines don't look dynamic, your advanced drawings won't look dynamic and live also. If you want to practice along with me, feel free to pause this video and draw. You need only a pencil in case if you don't have a tablet, so you can practice the same and follow this tutorial. Now let me show you something more advanced. This is next that you need to practice. Here's a quick anatomy tips for you. Head fits 3 times, from here to here. You can make a mark here. Draw a rib cage. This is an oval. After this, find the shoulders. Draw ellipses, then draw a line. It will end where the rib cage will end, or somewhere near. Then draw ellipse here. See this distance? Place another ellipse at the same distance. After this, draw a hand. It will be a bit shorter. Connect these ellipses. Now you know arms proportions. People don't usually stand straight like soldiers. They are always changing a pose, so it's pointless to blindly learn how to count all that things. Just keep tips in mind and you'll know where and when you should fix something. When you're drawing legs, you can make a hint like this. Then draw a line. This line is usually the same as the distance from here to here. Right in the middle of this line you can draw ellipse. Then make connections. Now just watch how I draw and repeat. Follow my approaches and you'll be able to draw on your own very soon. No matter how difficult pose might seem, it is still following the same rules. Do you feel that you can draw poses better? Let me know, I'm very excited to know about your progress, guys. If you learned something new from this tutorial, drop a comment below, let me know if everything was clear enough for you and what you liked about this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, support this channel by clicking on subscribe and what's most important, by clicking on the bell icon to get notifications about newest tutorials from TNT. I would also appreciate if you will click thumbs up and will share this video. This was TNT Tutorials, see you in next videos!